Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to make a very funny toy for Halloween festival. It's called Halloween Photophobia book. What is photophobia? Okay, first let's take some minutes to view the 3D design. This photophobia book has the body and a cover on the top. Inside the book, we have a Halloween pumpkin which will sliding up and down based on the cylinder gyro here by a SG90 servo and a connecting loop. Okay, inside the book we have left pocket for Arduino, right pocket for 2 bytes of 1850 lithium battery, and in the front of the body we have a hole to mount photo register, and inside of the pumpkin, we have a hole for 5mm LED. Okay. And here is the moving simulation. Okay, now let's bring components. About the electronic component, let's have a look to this schematic here. We have the power line from battery pack go through a switch and go into VIN pin of Arduino Nano. This is also go through true diode type 1N4007 to power the servo motor SG90 here. Because I want to separate the power supply for Arduino and power supply for servo motor into two different sources. But the total output of battery pack here is 7.4 volt, but the working range of servomotor is about from 4.8 volt to 6.0 volt, and that's why I use two diode in the series here. uh, One diode this time will reduce 0.7 volt, and we have here total drop out is about 1.4 volt, and then we have only 6 volt to go through both line to servo motor. Okay, next, this photoresistor is used as a sensor to sensing the change of light strength. This is connected to A0 pin and have a pull down resistor 1 kilo ohm here. The last thing is the 5 millimeter LED. It is connected to digital 5 pin through a support resistor 220 ohm. Digital 3 pin is the control channel for servo motor. Both digital 3 and digital 5 can generate the PWM channel output. Okay. Other component inside the green battery here I will weld together on a custom PCB port and connect to another component through this connector here. Okay. Okay, all components are now ready here. Uh, First, we have to upload the preset program to this Arduino. It have to preset the right position for servo motor, and also have to check the value of photoresistor. Okay, I have uploaded the preset program here. It will turn the servo motor to 180 degree position, and this position is when the pumpkin hit on the bottom and the cover cap is closed. So we will set the right position for servo amp. Okay, now we must remove the amp, rotate to down position, like it. Okay. And screw it Okay, next we will mount the connecting rod to the servo arm. And then mount the servo to the position here, the pocket for the servo. Okay. I will use a pair of filament here to lock the servo. And then cut off the excess on the butt end. Okay, now I will mount the bottom half of a pumpkin. Yeah, one pair of filament. I prefer this way for the small connection. Very simple. Now we will mount the cover. Okay, now we will check the value of this photoresistor. Okay, now we will check the value here and then select the maximum and minimum. If the current value is higher than maximum value, the book will totally close. And if the current value is less than the minimum value, it will totally open. If the current value is inside the range from minimum to maximum, it will open variable. Okay. I have uploaded the final program for this Arduino with the maximum value of photo register is 200 and the minimum is 50 based on light condition in my room now. Okay. Okay, let's do the test. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to make a move like this, let's have a look to the video description of my design that are available on Thingiverse and GitHub. You can access for free. Thank you. Goodbye.